If the production of a good generates a positive externality, the government can increase allocative efficiency by blank. A. Taxing the producer of the good. So, if the government wants to, if the production of a good generates a positive externality, this means that producing it gives off positive benefits not intended, and government can increase these benefits to the allocative efficiency, which is just the efficiency or the desired market quantity of the good, by taxing the producer of the good. So this would be incorrect, because if they tax the producer of the good, this would mean that the producer would produce less of that good. And because the good generates a positive externality, that would be negative for the society. So taxing the producer of the good would not help increase the allocative efficiency. So A is incorrect. B. Subsidizing the producer of the good. This seems to be the correct answer, because if the government subsidizes the production of the good, we can depict that subsidy on the graph, where if we label a price by quantity graph in a supply and demand market, subsidizing the production of the good would shift the supply to the right, and this would cause an increase in the supply and a decrease in the price. And this would increase the positive externality generated by the production of this good. So subsidizing would work. So B seems to be the correct answer. C. Prosecuting firms that produce the good without proper permits. This is incorrect, because prosecuting the firm that produced this good wouldn't help increase allocative efficiency. This would decrease the allocative efficiency, because this production of this good is good for society, so producing less of it is worse for society. Therefore, C is incorrect. D. Setting a price ceiling to encourage production of the good. This is incorrect, because a price ceiling is below the equilibrium, and setting a price ceiling below the equilibrium would mean that the producer would be forced to sell it below the equilibrium, and that would mean they'd produce less of it, and producing less of it means that there would be less of this positive externality, and then it would be worse for society. So D is incorrect. E. Setting a price floor to discourage production of the good. This is incorrect, because setting a price floor would not discourage the production of the good, that would encourage the production of the good. Because a price floor means setting a price to above the equilibrium, and because of this, the producer would be forced to sell it at or above that price. And this would encourage production of the good, because the producer would be able to earn more profit. So because this reasoning is incorrect, E is wrong. And thus the correct answer is B.